Hi my lovely viewers, this is LYT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to select HTTPS only modes. Don't enable HTTP only mode in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox where I have clicked. So at the three bar icons I have pressed it. So go to the settings options and also we will work the privacy and security. So here in below side we scroll and we will get the HTTPS only. So what it has been declared. So HTTPS provides a secure encrypted connections between Firefox and the website you visit. Most websites support HTTPS, and if HTTPS only mode is enabled, then Firefox will upgrade all connection to HTTPS. So sometimes we don't want as because security purpose. So in this way we are not able to the HTTPS only mode thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.